So now that we have our stuff together, we've got our poster, we've come up with our slides, it's time to make a video. Now, the video isn't required, but it's definitely a very nice thing, and that there's something that state, if you qualify and go on to state, is really going to encourage. So the idea is that in a video, I can now explain what's on my poster in much more detail. Yes, somebody can read the poster, but I might have some additional insight as I can explain it. So essentially, you're just going to be explaining your poster. This would be what you would do when judges come by or somebody in the public comes by and looks at your poster. So I have already taken my poster that I made. Remember, I had made that quad chart in the last video. And now I've gone back to the individual slides. So it's nice that I made those individual slides because this is really going to become my PowerPoint presentation. And now I'm going to record a presentation. I can do it in PowerPoint. I'm going to show you that way. It's kind of probably the little simplest and easiest way. You can also, if you don't have PowerPoint and you have Google Slides, they don't allow you to record a presentation in Google Slides, but you can if you use something called screencasting software. So there's some free screencasting software that basically do what I'm doing now, where they take a picture of your screen, and they may or may not also have a webcam and can record you talking about your video. Of course, you could also, if you had a big printed board that was visible and nice to see, you could have somebody record you with a camera. So there's a couple of different ways you can make this video. When I'm done making the video, I'm going to upload it to a sharing service. So maybe YouTube or Vimeo would be examples of places where I could upload my video and then I share the link to that video. Also, you can do things like store it on Google Drive and share that file with, create a sharing link where people can do this. So there's a variety of different ways, and there's going to be some documentation with some ideas, but let me show you how to do it in PowerPoint and give you an idea of what we're doing. Again, you can see that I've started by creating my my poster in slide form, so I have it like broken up into the different parts in the order that I want to talk about it, and this is what I'm going to basically be doing. So I'm going to present the material as a presentation, but if I'm in PowerPoint and I go to slideshow, I can see under this record slideshow. That's a very handy feature. Now, I don't know if I can do this. So what I'm going to put record from the beginning, and it's going to come up and you'll see that it shows me here, and you can see that I already because I'm recording a screencast, it won't let me use the webcam. But and it depends on which PowerPoint version you have, whether it will let you have the webcam down here in the lower right corner or not. So if I weren't already using the webcam, I could put the webcam on, and so it would show a picture of me next to my slides as we are talking. You don't require having that. What you will be able to do with even with older versions of PowerPoint is be able to narrate them so people can hear your voice and they're seeing your presentation. So I would hit record up here, and then I can go through the different slides and explain them. And when I want to go to the next slide, I hit the arrow and I continue talking. And when I'm done, I'm just going to do the first one. My project is about, do you need water for plants if you want them to grow? So I stopped the presentation, and now I'm going to go back. I'm going to exit out to go back to here. Now, I now need to save this as an actual video file, and then I'm going to have to upload it. So to save it, I go to File, and I'm going to do Export, and I want to create a video. You don't really need the high definition one. Usually you can go down to standard. I'd usually do the medium one. And I'm going to create the video. And it takes a while. You'll see down here on the bottom of the screen, it says creating the video, and it will take a good 5 minutes, even though all I did was that one little slide, and especially if you have a longer one. Remember, we do want to keep this down in time. It should be between 2 and 3 minutes, 3 minutes max. And for state, it has to be under 2 minutes. So you may want to try to aim for just under 2 minute video. So when I'm done, wherever I've saved this file, I now can take this file. It's an MP4 file, and I can take that file and upload it to someplace like YouTube or to Vimeo or to Google Drive. And then I can find the link for that so that all that I'm supplying when I submit this on my project is the link to the video. The video file itself is fairly large and we can't work with that. So I hope that this has helped you sort of see some overviews. Again, I will also post a resource that has some details on exactly step-by-step different methods if you don't have PowerPoint, how you can do that. Thanks.